So I'm here tonight because I want to talk to you about how ludicrous some of these laws are in our country. And I'm going to talk specifically tonight about the state of Florida. You may want to check your state laws regarding these issues. You should empower yourself with this knowledge. I think that the laws are created to confuse you, to manipulate you. They want people to be in trouble. I mean, they want people to have problems, because otherwise, why would they allow such fraud, such manipulation of belief to happen? So you go to the hospital as an unmarried couple and you're presented with the same documents as married couples. You sign that document for the birth certificate. You go and see a notary. You waive your rights to a DNA test. It means nothing. You are not the legal father of the child according to the state. You have no legal rights to the child according to state laws. Just because your name is on the birth certificate, it does not mean anything. But here is where it gets crazy. Why are hospitals allowed to present you with these fraudulent documents? You basically committed fraud by signing it. And, you know, it blows my mind that these entities can present you with these contracts in the first place. They're not even legal. They mean nothing. And they're deceptive in nature. They give you this false belief that you have some rights to your child, that you are the legal father of the child. You're not. You have no rights. Zero. Another thing is, here in the state of Florida, they say that they're 50-50. Okay, when it comes to parental rights, mother and father, 50 here, 50 there. Yet, if you messed around with a married woman, you men out there, and you got her pregnant, she decided she wanted to raise the child with her husband. You have no rights to the child. That's right. You cannot see the child. You cannot visit the child. Nothing without the permission of the mother. The Florida law does not respect the fact that you had an affair with a married woman. I think this is ludicrous. Why? Here the woman, she's the one that made a contract, and she violated that contract of marriage. She should be the one that's punished, in my eyes. And the way that the law works, I mean, I'm not just pulling this out of the air. She's the one that actually had a contract with somebody. It didn't say that in her contract that if she should have a child out of wedlock, or I mean out of while she was married, like he had to sign some contract waiving his rights. That's just baloney. I just can't believe that how contradictory that is, that in Florida they so dwell on that they're a 50-50 state, parental rights state, and yet they take all the rights away from this father. When it was the mother she's the one that committed adultery. Isn't adultery a crime in the eyes of the law? So, I hope that I can empower you with the knowledge and enlightenment that these contracts, whether they're offered by hospitals, landlords, businesses, whatever, they may not be legal. So be careful. Have an attorney review your documents. If you want to reach out to me and find, there are attorney services that you can pay for monthly to have them review these documents, because sooner or later you're going to find yourself in some kind of contract issue. And it is difficult to sift through all these contracts, even to have lawyers look at these contracts. Anyway, I will be posting more videos very soon. Take care.